Yeah, what's that smell? Oh, it's our new star, the chubby zombie girl. Forget spitters, bro. This is artillery. Her back is like 2 nasty takeout boxes, and they're loaded to the max with snot. She's a long-range gunk launcher. I didn't finish the shooting at him. I'm sure you'll make it epic. Just imagine, fwah, and your player's covered in slime. Just 11K vertices of low poly attitude. She's got blend shapes, can pull faces from a vicious snarl to oops, I'm gonna hurl. The rig, UE4 skeleton. Want her to run like a ninja or do a dance? Slap any animation from the marketplace on her. Retargeting is a spit away, literally. She's modular. Swap her parts however you want. And yo, that's not all. Grab her and get a second model from the pack for free. Details in the description. Don't be dumb. This lady ain't looking for love. She's looking for a target, and she's got pockets full of ammo. Meet your new nightmare.